Hi everyone, and welcome to your first flipped lesson. Today we're going to talk about our first piece of grammar for this year, and we're going to talk about subjects and predicates. Hopefully everybody remembers what they are, but if not, I'm going to remind you quickly. Let's think of a sentence. How about Katie is sweet? Okay? Oh, that's going to be difficult for you guys to see because it's backwards. But here's what I want you to know. Katie is sweet. The subject of our sentence is always whatever is doing the action. Okay? So our subject in this sentence is Katie. Katie is, that is the verb. And everything that's related to the verb is part of the predicate. So sweet is also part of the predicate. Okay, so we've single underlined Katie and double underlined is sweet. So we could separate this like this and have our subject here and our predicate here. Okay, let's do another one with an actual action verb rather than a linking verb. How about Mrs. Thiele loves teaching? Okay. Mrs. Thiele is our subject. Loves is our verb. And teaching goes along with loves, so that's part of our predicate. So anything that is the subject is the subject. Whatever the topic of the sentence is. Anything that is related to the verb is the predicate. Okay? So we're going to separate it like that. Now, we're going to briefly talk about diagramming sentences. We're going to take a little baby step here, and I'm going to show you just how to diagram the subject and the verb, okay? So you're going to, and I'm going to turn this around for you because it's going to be easier if I do that. Oh, except I can't do it while I'm in the video. All right, just look at this backwards and we'll figure this out together, okay? Okay. We're going to do a very simple sentence of just a subject and a verb. How about Sam ran? That's our sentence. We have a subject and a verb. Our subject is Sam, and our verb is ran. When we're going to diagram this sentence, everything's going to go along a baseline. Okay? And to separate the subject and the verb, we put a line all the way through like that. So it almost kind of makes an axis. Subject goes here, verb goes there. Let's do one more. I'm going to add some more words to it, but we're only going to diagram the subject and the verb, okay? Say we have this sentence. Sam ran to the library. Okay, Sam is our subject. Ran to the library is our predicate. Subject, predicate. To diagram only the subject and the verb, which is all you're going to need to know at this point, you make your baseline. Subject is Sam. Line all the way through to separate the subject and verb, and then ran. Okay? So that's how that's going to go. Let's do one more really quick, because tomorrow in class you're going to do this on your own. You're going to underline the subject, double underline the predicate, and then you're going to diagram just the subject and the verb for the sentences that I give you. Okay? So one more. Let's do she ate lunch quickly. Okay? She's our subject. Ate lunch quickly is our predicate. And if we're going to diagram it, we make our baseline. She is our subject. Line through the baseline to separate the subject and verb. And ate is our verb. So that's what you're going to be doing tomorrow. And I'll figure out how to get this the right way for you. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the flip lesson. We'll see you tomorrow.